The question for page 2C6, determine range of values of k for which this is positive. What are we referring to when we say that the quadratic, when we say that the quadratic, this is a quadratic equation, is positive? Definitely, quand on regarde l'équation, donc x squared plus 6x plus k, this is a minimum curve. And we're saying that the minimum curve, ça doit être positif. Donc, ça veut dire quoi minimum curve, là, bien positif? Si je dessine comme ça, what we observe is we have a positive side to the minimum curve and a negative side. Et là, ça, c'est pas ce qu'on veut. Quand on vous dit que the minimum curve has to be positive for all values of x, it means that the minimum curve has to be like this. Voilà. And what kind of roots we're talking to? Quand curve lie above x-axis, we're talking about imaginary roots. Because you can see that it doesn't cross the x-axis quand on vous dit ça. It was a key, c'était un keyword, il fallait travailler un petit peu pour pouvoir savoir qu'est-ce que c'est que minimum curve là positif. The same way they can tell you that, let's say I have a maximum curve, I can tell you that find the values for which the curve is negative. What happens if the curve is negative now? The curve has to be like this, which means that, again, imaginary roots. Alors, on va faire a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c equal to k, and solve for b squared minus 4ac less than 0 because of imaginary roots. And when you solve it, you're going to get your answer. When you're done, sketch the graph quand k equal to 13. Quand k est égal à 13, x squared plus 6x plus 13. Et on vous a dit de montrer coordinates of minimum point, so we have to complete the square. This was the second part. X plus 3 to the square, retirer 9 plus 13. Ça va donner plus 4. Alors, le minimum point, c'est moins 3,4. When you sketch, minus 3 somewhere here, 4 somewhere here, minus 3, 4 is here, and this is your sketch. Et montrer qu'ici, il est supposé coupe y-axis at this point, 13. Bon. Je vais vérifier vos graphes en classe si vous voulez. Et pour l'instant, on arrête là.